Namaskar, I am your host Narayankar. Today, Prime Minister Modi is attending the rally at the historic Brigade Parade Ground. There are many successful stories woven around the Brigade Parade Ground rallies. In 1988-89, VP Singh had resigned from Rajiv Gandhi government on the issue of Bofors deal. He won a famous bypoll from Allahabad as a Jan Morcha candidate. This victory had brought together iconic leaders like Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Jyoti Basu, George Fernandez, Madhu Dandwate, and other left leaders on one stage at a massive rally held at the Brigade Parade Ground. A decade ago, Mamta Banerjee also held a massive rally at the same venue and was successful in pulling down the CPI-M rule in West Bengal. However, she is today at crossroads as she has failed to bring Paribortan that she had promised a decade ago. Today, Prime Minister Modi is holding a massive rally at the same brigade parade ground where as many as 15 lakh people are going to attend. So the question is, will Modi's rally change the fortunes of West Bengal? Going by historic events mentioned earlier, the brigade parade ground meetings have helped opposition parties taste victories. So historically, it is advantage BJP. Also looking at the ground realities, it is also advantage BJP. The party is well placed with the joining of Mithun Chakravarti. There also are speculations that Saurav Ganguly may attend the rally. Both Saurav Ganguly and Mithun Chakravarti are iconic figures in West Bengal, and the Trinamool Congress will not have the courage to launch a tirade against them. And if they do that, they will be painted as anti Bengal and anti Bengali. Therefore, TMC is already on the back foot. Moreover, BJP is gaining ground with several TMC leaders joining the party. These leaders know the strengths and weaknesses of Mamta Banerjee. The most important leader is the ex-TMC leader Suvendu Adhikari, who has now joined the BJP and will take on Mamta Banerjee from Nandigram. Suvendu is a very popular leader from Nandigram. In fact, he was the face of Nandigram protest, which had helped Mamta Banerjee ride to power in 2011. So Didi is lonely today, and it will be very difficult for her to fight out the BJP and defeat the party. Also, the majority Hindu voters are angry with Mamta Banerjee because of her tantrums at people chanting Jai Shri Ram and creating obstacles for performing the Durga Puja. So it is to be seen what impact Prime Minister Modi's rally at Brigade Parade Ground will have on the West Bengal voters because huge rallies do not bring success as usual. One such instance was in 1955 when Nikita Khrushchev's participation at the Brigade Parade Ground failed to catapult communists to power. So, time alone will tell what impact Prime Minister Modi's rally will have on voters' mind. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.